Hey, beauty lovers, do you want firmer, wrinkle-free skin naturally? What if I told you there's a simple, all-natural ingredient that can give your skin an instant lift without expensive treatments? Today, I'll show you how to use flax seeds to create an easy DIY face mask that tightens skin, reduces wrinkles, and gives you a youthful glow. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this magical skin remedy. Now, you might be wondering, why flax seeds? Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and lignans, which help boost collagen production for firmer skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines naturally, tighten sagging skin for a youthful look, hydrate, and nourish your skin for a radiant glow. This tiny seed is truly nature's anti-aging secret. Now, let's make our skin tightening flax seed face mask. Ingredients you'll need: 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, a few drops of rose water. Step 1. Boil flax seeds in water for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll notice a gel-like consistency forming. Step 2. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Then strain the flax seed gel into a clean bowl. Step 3. Add honey and rose water, then mix well. Step 4. Apply the mask evenly to your face and neck using a brush or fingers. Step 5. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries. Step 6. Wash off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Instant results: your skin will feel tight, firm, and refreshed immediately. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Want even faster results? Try these additional tips. Drink flaxseed water daily to improve skin elasticity from within. Massage your face gently while applying the mask for better absorption. Use an ice cube after washing off the mask for extra firming effects. That's it, beauty lovers. Now you know how to use flax seeds for an instant skin tightening boost. Comment below if you're going to try this. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a beauty secret.